Pardon me, gentlemen. I'm sorry you had to witness that. Please do your best not to mind us.
If you wish to ask my name, I suggest that you start by introducing yourself first. Or have such simple courtesies been surrendered to the will of disrespect during my absence from Japan?
Reality for a black blood. Ah, I've been hearing that this is what they've been calling vampires these days. And it's true. My little brother and I are in fact vampires. This is quite a conundrum. I have associates in the special zone, but I'm afraid I'm unfamiliar with this concept of affiliate houses. Incidentally, and now, since we've been able to set aside this private matter, perhaps someone can tell me what this fight is about. See, while I don't understand your reasons, I take it the ship itself was not part of the conflict, so all the noise wasn't appreciated. The company? Certainly you must be referring to the Order Coffin Company from the special zone. That's quite odd. I was under the impression it's an organization serving as an intermediary between the humans and us.
I don't think so.
No matter how many times I explain. Good grief, brother.
Tell me, why do you always have to do dumb things like this? You're such a pain. That's hardly the point. I don't want to hear it. You're the one who couldn't just do what he was told. And now you turn around and blame your brother? It's disgraceful.
A good morning to you, gentlemen. I trust that everyone is doing splendidly today. I was curious as to what you were doing up here.
I only hope you didn't wander around the ship and get into any more trouble than you already are. Like marking up any surface you please with graffiti.
Oh, Kataro, good morning to you. Gorgeous night, don't you think?
Your brother was firm when he told you to be good and stay asleep until we arrive.